Hello Neve's fam, this is Neve from Neve's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to do this makeup. First of all, let me tell you that not everything which I have on my face is $1, but I did show you in my previous video, which was Shopmissa.com haul. So I tried to use most of the product from that haul basically to show you how that particular $1 makeup, how it performed. So most of the products which I got from Shopmissa.com, like the makeup products which I got, are on my face over here. And before we move on to the video, I just wanted to let you know that there is a giveaway going on my channel, and I'll put the link of the video in the description box down below, and you can watch that video to find out what are the rules and regulations. You have to follow each and every rule for me to enter you in that giveaway. And if you like this video, please subscribe, just watch it till the end. And if you think you like this video, please subscribe. And without wasting any more time, because I'm also going to tell you not only apply it, but I will also give you like a mini review, which one I liked, which one I don't. So let's get started. So let's start now. Like I showed you, I applied Wet n Wild primer. So I am just going to show you which product I am going to apply, which is not from this website, or which is not $1. Yeah, I mean from this website. So I'm just going to show you those products which are again not from Shopmissa.com, or which are not $1. And but I'm not gonna record it applying it, because I don't want to waste your time, because this video is mainly showing you just giving you the demo of $1 makeup which I got from Shopmissa.com. So first thing which I have here is AOA. In my last haul video, I don't know how many times I did mention in the video though, but I don't know how many times I said HOA instead of AOA. So I hope I don't say HOA in this video. Anyway, so AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream, and in the color tan. So I'm going to apply with a brush today, because this is a BB cream, and BB creams are not as pigmented or as heavy as foundation. So I don't want the sponge to take away a lot of the product or absorb all this product. So I'm just going to try. It doesn't smell good, guys. It smells like paint. It doesn't smell good. Can you see a difference? This side and this side. Like if I see the camera, I can definitely see some difference. So guys, this is how it is looking, and I don't apply like too much product. You've seen how much product I applied. So same amount I applied this side. It really smells bad when I'm applying, because there's a product, I don't know, like when I'm applying it, it's still smelling bad, but now the smell has reduced once it's blended with the skin, like on the face. So I have this eyeshadow, and this is Velour eyeshadow, and I have this Velour, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Velour, and this is a Velour highlight. But This is really glittery. So this one is really glittery. I don't think so I can, and it's very like wettish, you know, like very wet and cream kind almost. So I don't think so I can really apply it on my cheek. Definitely not. And I'm just going to use this palette, which is Just Peachy Mattes from Too Faced. I'm just gonna do the transition color, and I'll be right back to apply that eyeshadow color. So I don't know if you can see, I have put the transition color, and now I'm going to put this one, and this is basically almost like a creamy consistency, but let's hope for the best. And I'm going to apply this with a finger, and this is how the color looks. So now I'm going to apply the liner. Yeah, yes, I know I've not done the eyebrows yet, or nothing below my eyebrows, you know, under my eyebrows. I will do it later once I apply the liners. I have two liners over here. One is this one. This is liquid liner, no retouch needed. That's what it says. And this is waterproof liner. I will wear this waterproof and see how it goes. This is how the brush is, and this is a felt tip. And this eyeliner is going very patchy. No, I don't like it. Not happening, not happening. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to apply this one and see on top of it, and then I will apply this one on the other eye so I can see the difference. It has the same kind of tip like the brush. Oh my God. I really, I don't want to say the word hate, but I don't like this eyeliner. You know what it's doing? This one, the other one was really patchy. You could see my skin in between those two black lines. And this one, when I'm applying this over that liner, it's almost peeling the previous eyeliner off. I'm just gonna give one more try on this eye just by itself and see what it does. I just don't like this liner. When I applied like first time, it was okay, like okay. But when I went over it, it started peeling off the first line. I don't think so I can keep this eyeliners. Definitely I'm going to throw, so please don't buy. Back after applying my tattoo eyeliner on top of those bad eyeliners, I also applied my brow, and I applied the Benefit. I don't know, in the camera it's looking really dark. Anyway, so I did my eyebrows, and I also did my blush, and I used this NYX Ombre blush. Just I'll show you quickly how it looks. It's like a pink and orange ombre kind, you know. Let's move on to the highlighter, and I cannot use this highlighter, though it looks really beautiful, but I don't think so. It's pure glitter, guys. It's pure glitter. So I cannot apply this on my, you know, my normal highlighter where I apply. But I'm gonna try this, and this is a cream highlight, guys. So normally I don't apply cream highlight. I will see how it looks just on its own, and then I will apply some other powder highlight, and this is how it looks. So it's a very subtle highlight, and I wouldn't say it's bad, but it's not good. It's just somewhere like in between. For a cream highlighter, it's okay, pretty subtle. So when you just apply, it looks okay, like good, but when you start blending it, you know, it starts disappearing. So you can see the shine. It's okay. Like I said, it's not great, it's not bad like eyeliner. So before I move on to the lip product, let me tell you, I'm going to apply this AOA Studio, and this is Scarlet. I mean, the type of lashes is Scarlet, and definitely I'm not going to apply on camera, like it's going to take a lot of time, and you will see my struggle to apply the lashes. Just let me tell you, I just wore my Ofra highlight on top of that cream highlight mostly everywhere, like you can see, and I also applied the Balm Cosmetics mascara. So I'm back after applying the lashes, and I'm just going to apply the mascara on my lower lash line. So guys, you can see the eyelashes. It's really nice for my type of eye, and it's really like my eyes are looking really big. I mean, bigger than what they are. So I really like this eyelashes, and I think this is the either the natural one or this is the right size for my eyes, and I really love this one. So let's move on to the lip, and I have this one over here, and this one is AOA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the color is Fab, and I'm not wearing any lip liner below this because I really want to see how it performs and how it looks just by the lipstick, nothing underneath. And it doesn't smell good, guys. It's hard to you know, explain what it smells like, but yeah, something close to like a cough syrup, between a cough syrup and a paint or something like that in between, but I don't like it. I'm just gonna anyway apply this lipstick, and then let's see. Said the lipstick doesn't smell good, but the lipstick doesn't smell good, but the color is okay. It's not very sticky. Yeah, it's not sticky at all, and without the lip you know, having a lipstick below this, I think it's not that bad. But if you can tolerate the smell, because I don't know, I can still smell it. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to comment below and let me know. and please subscribe guys, it really means a lot to me. And all my social media links are down below, and the giveaway link is also down below. The video link is down below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.